Hey, dementia caregivers, Lisa Williver here from At Home with Dementia. Today we're asking the question, what do Christmas trees and shower curtains have in common? Well, if you are caring for a loved one with mild to moderate dementia, you may have noticed that it gets harder and harder for them to keep track of time. They will forget what day it is, what month, even what year. So we have a really simple solution. We use a shower curtain as one of the tools to help Aunt Gerri keep track of time. Your loved one goes back and forth in the bathroom multiple times a day. Take advantage of it. Each month, put up a shower curtain that reflects the time of year, whether it's hearts, shamrocks, Easter eggs, flags, flowers, pumpkins, whatever time of year it is. We do it for the month. So every month we put up a new shower curtain and we put up matching gel clings on the mirrors. We also keep her Christmas tree up, except we call it her month tree. And we put a chalkboard on it that has the month's name and all of the appropriate decorations. This is a really great way to not only help your loved one to know what time of year it is, this also reduces their anxiety. You see, it's really not that important for someone with dementia to know what month it is, except for the fact that if they realize they don't know, that confusion causes anxiety for them. So this is a really simple and fun way to make sure that they always know what time of year it is, what month, even what day. Use whiteboard calendars, use the tree, use decorations around the house, make it festive, and here's the best part. You can get these decorations from the dollar store, from thrift stores. You can probably find some in your attic or basement, and you can even get them online. Very inexpensive way to let your loved one feel grounded and make the house a little more festive. For more information, watch the next video, stop by athomewithdementia.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe.